everybody, welcome back. Or if you're new to this channel, thanks so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Who doesn't want healthy, beautiful skin? Who doesn't want skin that is soft and smooth and supple and has like a glowing radiance from within? I know I do. And everybody knows that what you put in is what you're going to get out. Healthy food, the importance of a healthy diet. It's good to remember though that there are certain foods that are directly correlated to the health and wealth of our skin. So these foods have certain nutrients that protect our skin from UV rays, and they boost and build collagen, which provides anti-aging benefits, and they even plump our skin. So how do we ensure that we get enough of them? My answer? Make a smoothie. So, you know, I can sit down and eat salad. I love salad, don't get me wrong, but it's hard to eat enough of it. Have you ever thought about how much ice cream it takes to make a milkshake? It takes a lot. It takes a lot of ice cream, more than if you were just to sit and eat a bowl. With the smoothie, it's like the healthy option, obviously, from a milkshake. It's all the good stuff, all the good vitamins and fruits and veggies and healthy proteins condensed down into a drink. So it's an easy way to get a lot of these foods into your system on a daily basis. Whereas the milkshake has so many calories, so many bad calories, the smoothie is just chock full of all good stuff. So I'm interested in doing more videos on different kinds of smoothies. You know, there's your detox smoothies and your anti-inflammatory smoothies, and those are all great. But today I thought I'd focus more on our skin. So I will link some information down below on these foods that I've chosen to boost our skin, and you can check that out if you're interested. If you're going to go to the trouble of making yourself a healthy smoothie, start with organic. It really is important for, you know, our whole body health. So now I'll tell you about these different foods and why they're good for your skin before we get into my smoothie recipes. Okay, so the first food that I want to talk to you about are carrots. These have a high level of beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A, which, by the way, is one of the main ingredients in our favorite skincare product, Retin-A. So these are really important, and an added benefit to these carrots is that they can help a skin condition called psoriasis. So, carrots. Okay, next food, avocados. So these contain phytonutrients which help prevent various diseases, and they're a great source of healthy fat, which helps your skin to retain moisture. Next thing we're going to discuss are almonds. I like to throw these in a shake. These are rich in vitamin E, which helps prevent signs of aging due to free radicals. And they're also another very healthy fat, like the avocado. And then the berry, of course. Everybody knows these are so good for you. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, boysenberries. Berries are full of antioxidants, which again fight free radicals, and they kind of act as scavengers for damaged cells in our bodies. Next food, dark chocolate. Yes, one of my faves. Now, this isn't organic. I had this already, but it is 100% cacao. Cacao? I think that's how you say it. Special dark. And this blends really well in smoothies. It's super good for you. Contains flavonols. These have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which fight against disease and aging. Then moving on to our Greek yogurt. And this is organic Greek. And as you see, it's got, let me see, my camera will not focus, very low in carbs. 11 carbs for a whole cup, only 11 carbs and 23 grams of protein. So this is a fantastic plain, no added sugar. So this is a fantastic source of good healthy protein if you can stand dairy. And then pomegranates. Pomegranates, I buy these. Last year I tried to do the whole, buying the pomegranate and taking it all apart and getting all the seeds. Oh my gosh, what a lot of work. So, I don't know, this was like $3. And I don't use a whole lot of them, but they're really good for you. They contain polyphenols also, which fight against free radical damage again. And they also help regulate the blood flow in your skin to give it that nice glow. And we have kale, fresh organic kale. I mean, I just buy it like this, and it's organic, and you just throw it into the blender like this, and it's a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it'll be down below. Nutrients that actually absorb and neutralize free radical damage caused by UV rays. And then you've got your little kiwis, and these are packed with vitamin C, much more than in an orange. So C stimulates collagen synthesis, which helps keep your skin taut and smooth, and it also helps with dryness. Okay, so this is my protein, and obviously I put it in a canister because this thing is like ginormous. What am I supposed to do with this? Anyway, it's 100% grass-fed, which I think is really important. 1 scoop, it's 24 grams of protein, very low carbs, 3 carbs. And the other thing to note here is it's got amino acids, and amino acids are very good for your skin. And so there's a lot of good stuff in here. This is collagen hydrolysate. Sometimes, if you feel like it, this does not have a lot of taste. Sometimes I just have it plain in water, but you know, just throw this into your smoothie and it's really good. Again, pasture-raised, grass-fed, and this has a lot of protein in it. 11 grams of protein, only 43 calories, and this is a really great source of collagen for you. And I suppose this is the hydrolysate means it's going to be easier for your body to absorb, so that's a good thing. Use this for any kind of sweetening I want to do in a drink, especially if it's citrus. I do not like this in my coffee. Ew. Okay, then we have almond milk in chocolate and unsweetened original, although they have vanilla. But I like to try to make sure that I get unsweetened. I don't know if these are necessarily really beneficial for your skin, but I love it because it's a creamy, low-calorie, low-carb, no sugar, dairy-free option. So it's great for smoothies. I love that. So these are some really beautiful, nice, healthy foods and nutrients that we really need to try to get into our system on a daily basis if we're going to enjoy the benefits of beautiful, healthy skin. So now, using these ingredients, I came up with 3 different smoothie recipes, and I will share those next. So one other thing I wanted to point out is, again, these I buy, especially if you're in a hurry. At least you're eating them. So carrot juice. This is Bolthouse Farms, 100% carrot juice. There's nothing else in it. And I like to use this because sometimes I don't always juice. I like to use a blender. So sometimes the carrot doesn't really blend very well, so I get this. Plus it's just really easy, but you just gotta really watch the date and make sure it doesn't go bad. One of the other things I wanted to share is that I always use the NutriBullet, and I love this machine. It seriously gets used every day. It's a great little machine. It comes with 2 serving size cups. No, it comes with 3 serving size cups. One's in the dishwasher, it's larger. And then it has lids, and then it has a blending option, and then it also has a grater, which I have in the dishwasher also, that I use for nuts or herbs or things like that. So, but this is a great price point, and man, we've gotten a lot of use out of this thing. Okay, so the first recipe that we're gonna make is, I named it Berry Pop, because there's lots of good berries in there. And this is going to be 2/3 cup of almond milk. It just depends on how thick or thin you want your smoothie. And then we're going to have 1/2 cup of the Greek yogurt. I don't always measure my Greek yogurt, but for you guys I'm measuring. And then I've got 1/2 cup of berries. And then we're going to do tablespoon of the pomegranates. Those beautiful pomegranates. And then as much carrot juice as you want. I don't like to have too much because it's kind of high on the glycemic index, but it's still really good for you. So we'll do, I don't know, 1/4 cup, a little bit more. I don't always feel the need for it, but if you want stevia, you can add that also. And that's it. We're just going to blend. We'll pop this on the blender. That's about all it needs, and that's about all it takes. I don't know, if you have your ingredients ready, it's a really healthy way to start your day. Sometimes I can't drink it all at once, so I love glass jars that have a lid, and you can just pop it in the fridge or save it for later. And there you have it. Berry Pop. Yum. It's really, really yummy. My husband and I are going to be enjoying these smoothies the rest of the day and tomorrow since I'm making 3. Okay, so the next smoothie that I came up with is called my Green Beauty. So this is going to have half of a large avocado. I'll just throw the avocado in and it's going to be really, really good. Normally I would like to add some lemon to this avocado, especially if I'm going to put it back in the fridge for a little bit and it won't turn brown that way. Then we're going to add in a whole kiwi. We've got the green avocado, we've got the green kiwi, and then we're going to add kale. Let's break that up a little bit. I even put the stalk in there, not going to hurt anything. And then I'm going to do half a cup of water, probably another 1/4 cup of the 100% carrot juice. This is more like a juice drink. Look at all those fresh ingredients, so pretty. But if you wanted to throw in some yogurt or protein powder, go for it. This is my Green Beauty. Super green, really yummy looking. You may want a little bit more water than I added. So I forgot to note that I used ice cold water. You can throw in a couple of ice cubes just so it's cold. And if you want it sweeter, you could add a little bit more carrot juice or maybe some apple or some stevia. Last but not least, did you think I'd forget chocolate? I didn't forget chocolate. So this is Chocolate Lover's Delight, and we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, and we're gonna do, depends on, you know, your preference, say 2 rounded teaspoons of cacao powder, dark chocolate, more than 70%, no sugar added. If you want sugar, add some stevia. I add, I don't know, 4 or 5 drops. And then we've got half a cup of unsweetened chocolate almond milk. So creamy and good. Yum. We're gonna do a scoop of this vanilla protein powder that I showed you. I might do a scoop and a half. Some ice. And at this point, it's completely your preference whether maybe you want to add some tiny little bit of coconut extract. A little goes a long way. Maybe you don't like coconut. Maybe you want to add some coffee flavoring. That would be delicious. Or I'm going to add half a banana. Chocolate Lover's Delight. So one of the things I should have mentioned is it's really important when you add any powder or anything like that to your smoothies to always start with your liquid. Otherwise the powder is going to stick to the side. That looks like so yummy. Really dark. Now I wouldn't be able to drink this at night because cacao has stimulants, not necessarily caffeine, but other stimulants that, you know, would probably hype me up. I'm kind of sensitive to that kind of thing. There's your 3rd smoothie, Chocolate Lover's Delight. So these are just a few of the smoothie recipes that I came up with using these ingredients. Maybe you guys will come up with something different, and please share it if you do. So remember, taking care of your skin starts on the inside. Filling your body with good, healthy, wholesome ingredients on a daily basis is going to boost collagen, build collagen, protect you from harmful UV rays, plump your skin, give you the glow. So these all have different benefits. There's the glow, the antioxidants, they're all so good. All these things are going to help you to fight the signs of aging and build more collagen, which is something we unfortunately lose as we get older. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try some of these smoothie recipes and let me know in the comments below if you enjoy them. As always, I really appreciate you tuning in, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you liked this content, and I'll see you next time.